In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest app easy and quick for beginners. Just you have to follow and watch this video till the end. Open first Pinterest like this, and you see here the home page. Here, where you can find the suggestion posts or pins, as you can see, for your interest. For example, I'm interested in graphic design. It's showing me some videos of graphic designs, and I'm interested for food. They will show me food pictures. So if I go and click here on this search, I can find here the search bar. I can search for ideas or pictures or videos, or maybe profiles or friends if you have on Pinterest. And if you click here on this plus icon, it will take you to this page here where you can add some post or pin or pictures or some collage or board. And if you click here, you can find your own notifications and messages. For example, I have these messages, I send it to someone here. And if you click here on your profile, you see you can find your favorites like this, your pins, and you can share your account from here. If you click here, you can find your settings. You can manage your account from it. And if you click see profile, you can see your own profile and you can edit it from here, guys. So as you can see, the application of Pinterest is very useful. If you have any question, just type it down in comments, and follow and subscribe and like this video, and see you next video.